Hello guys, in this video I want to share with you the exact steps to create your first Google Ads account in less than 4 minutes, just 4 minutes. All right, so the first step is to go to ads.google.com. I'm using Google Chrome, so I'll just go on my browser, go to ads.google.com. So once it opens, click on the blue Start Now button. Once you have done that, it will take you to the dashboard where you need to set up your billing information. So the first thing we need to do here is to select the country where we are resident, right? So if you are in Nigeria, select Nigeria. Okay, so wherever you are, select the country where you are resident, and of course select the currency of the country where you are living. All right, so once you have done that, just click on continue. Once you click on continue, it will take you to the next stage where you need to set up your payment profile, right? Okay, so as you can see, we just need to confirm here the country and of course the currency. Once you have done that, just click on create payment profile. All right, so you click on that create payment profile, and then it will ask you to select the account type. The account type is individual because I'm creating an individual account. But if you are creating for maybe an agency, for an organization, you can choose and leave it at organization, right? But if you are creating a personal account, which most people will go for, just select individual and then fill in your information. All right, so what we need to do here is to enter the card, the set up the card profile. That is the card from which we are going to be paying for our Google Ads. All right, so as you know, Google Ads is a pay per click service. That is the number of clicks you have received, Google is going to charge you once you have gotten clicks. All right, so here I'm using a MasterCard, so all you just need to do is to enter the card details as I'm entering it here. This is the card number, the full card number I'm entering here, right? Okay, so that's the card number, and of course the card expiry date, and then the security code. Once you have entered all this information, Google will ask you if you want to receive personalized service. Select yes, and then enter your phone number so that they will be able to reach you. Wow, congratulations, you have created your first Google Ads account. So if you found this video interesting, click the subscribe button and of course the notification bell button so that you'll be the first to see my videos.